Welcome students to the second term. Now let us start with our lesson number 5, Typing in MS Excel, part 1. But before that, let us see some basics of MS Excel. Now let me explain you the Microsoft Excel window. Okay. Now to begin with, this is the quick access toolbar. If you want to undo, redo, save, this is a quick access toolbar which will help you to do these operations. Okay. Now below here you can see some tabs. So this is a tab list. Home, insert, page layout, formulas, etc. are all your tabs. Below that we have a ribbon. This entire thing is a ribbon. Okay. Now below there is a name box. Okay. Now in the name box here you can see A1. Now what is this A1? A1 is the address of the active cell. See, here are the columns A, B, C, D, E, and here there are rows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. So the address of this particular cell is A1, which is shown here as in the name box. Okay, beyond this is a formula bar. Now last year I had taught you about formulas, how to insert them, and how to write a formula. Formula should always begin with a equal to sign, if you remember. Okay. Now here are the columns A, B, C, D, E. Here are the rows and there are the row numbers attached to it. All right. Now this particular sheet is our active worksheet and other cells are all inactive. Active cell is here, other cells are inactive. Okay. Of course, you can type something here and then they'll become active. Now, below here is a status bar which shows that the Excel sheet is ready. Okay, next to it we have sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. We can have any number of sheets. Okay, you can go on adding. There is a particular number where the sheets will get over, but you can go on adding the sheets as and when required. Okay, here we have a page view. Okay, page view is displayed here. Then you have zoom control. Okay, so if you want this to look little more bigger, we'll go to the plus button here, go on clicking the plus button, and automatically the window will get zoomed. Okay. With this, we come to the end of this session. We'll continue in the next session and see some more basics of MS Excel.